Pranams to everybody. I felt very happy by coming to here. I was born very near to Buddha the Stupam, and in that period, we was began to pray for our son. He should be the one among the unique, not like an ordinary one. In that way, while we are doing a meditation, Patriji meditation, that is called pyramid meditation, and every minute when he was in womb, she has done a total meditation, because we are scientists, and because she is from Norway, she is from Germany, and I am from Germany as a scientist. We visited so many things. We know very well. We are not a common people in a knowledge way. In that period, we have been to total the subject of the science and the technology behind the meditation. In that period, only the Patriji's meditation, it has gone inside. That is a wonderful way. You can see his performance, very well. Soon, he can make everything within a fraction of moments. Within a fraction of moments. That he is controlling the left brain and the right brain, making equal, midbrain activation, bringing that energy through the third eye. As Patrijis are told to us, the third eye. He can activate the third eye. Through that one, closing his eyes, he can read the book, he can go into that one, he can do all things. That is the power of meditation. That is the dhyanam. That is that the power it has given, the knowledge it has given, the knowledge which was delivered by Patriji. It is a unique in the world, where the NASA scientists, European Space Agency scientists, where the astronauts are going to be trying there itself, they are giving Patriji meditation and technology. Now he can perform. That is the greatness of Patriji. We think it is common. No. When the other meditations, I found so many things. That's small things. Only that's all are great. But it is the greatest one. But combining the nanotechnology, combining the Vedic technology, both united Patriji very wisely to benefit the people, to help the people. He wants to see the happiness among us. That is the greatness of Patriji. You don't expect anything. He expects only something from us. We must be in very high level. We must get the benefit from this world. That himself is the embodiment of the simple, the embodiment of the avatar. The embodiment of the avatar, he himself is nothing but Patriji. That is the greatness. He was born in the womb from the technology and the science from Patriji. That he is the brainchild of Patriji. He is the brainchild of Patriji. Now we can see so many things. One is among that one, he can do very little. One who can do this performance, while we are into the conscious mind, we can see something and we can do something. When it transmits from there to conscious mind to subconscious mind, it will work like a missionary, like a missionary. From the missionary is that brain child frame, and the technology has came from is that one. That's so he himself brought. We don't know anything. Please.